Hello everyone. So I'm working as an intern in the Lexus and Company, and in this video I'm going to present about the Article 21 and the case Puttaswamy versus Union of India case, which challenged the constitutional validity of Aadhaar card under right to privacy. And this case is a landmark judgment of Supreme Court of India, which holds the right to privacy recognition under the fundamental rights of Article 14, 19, and 21 of the Constitution of India. So, Aadhaar card has become the supreme identity of a person. Especially, it has easen up the worries of the common people, and its literal meaning is the foundation or base uh, for the identification of the purpose, for the purpose of opening a transaction uh, without the need of the document or any other support. It has the following details such as name, address, gender, uh, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, photo, fingerprint, and also iris scan. So it has excelled the India in the perspective of digital economy, and it serves a proof of identity anywhere in India. But in 2018, a writ petition came into the picture by the uh, senior retired judge of High Court, who questioned the Aadhaar card on the grounds that it violated the fundamental right of citizens of India, the right to privacy under the Article 21. Article 21 had the hidden meaning and concept of right to privacy under the right to life provision. And many other people came and joined the race or the case by filing the connecting petitions under the Aadhaar card case. So the case was first passed on to the three judges to be heard, and seeing the reference or the issues of the case, it was passed further on to the Constitution judge headed by five judges. Uh, the five judges gave an judgment that it was uh, the five judges gave the review to the further on passed to the uh, bench which was decided by the nine judges because of the controversial and intensity of the case. The nine judges bench gave a judgment which introduced the right to privacy under the Article 21, which was not earlier introduced, uh, even though there were three cases which were being heard for Article 21 and the right to privacy provision. And the court gave an unanimous answer with the conclusion that the right to privacy is traced not only in the Article 21 but also in the Article 14 and 19. And they also dismissed the plead that the Aadhaar card is should be removed because Aadhaar card has made easen up the lives of many, and it was defended on the basis that it is strictly biometrical. So there, because of the fingerprint and iris scan, it can't have serious privacy issues. And even though if the number Aadhaar card number is given to anyone, it can't be misused in such kind. So, thank you. Uh, this is it for the presentation.